It's time to find out what's in your fridge on the show.
All right, 877-570-1053. Time to play What's in Your Fridge?
Oh.
It's us taking guesses at different items that are in your refrigerator. If one of us gets an item wrong, it's not in your refrigerator. We got to eat our least favorite food, which for me is bell pepper. For Sky, it's tomatoes.
So gross.
For Thor, it's coconut. And for Emily, it is cilantro.
It's wilted cilantro for Emily.
Dude, what's up, man?
Where did you get that? From your glove box?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, that looks like it came out of the bottom of my shoes.
Don't say that. You're
really
making
does.
it worse.
It really does.
Can you stop?
It really does. 877-570-1053 if you would like to play, and we will guess what is in your fridge. Let's get our first player on the line. Let's go to P1, Anastasia. Anastasia, how's it going?
Hey, show.
How's it going?
Hey, girl.
Anastasia, here we go. We get one lifestyle question that does not have to do with food. We can ask one, and then we will guess what items are in your fridge. Sky, you are up this week first in what the lifestyle question is.
Okay. Anastasia.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, okay. What is your favorite color?
Dude, how is that going to help us, Sky? You ask questions that sort of tell us lifestyle.
She's going to be attracted to certain color foods when she tells us what her favorite color
What the
is.
hell are you
My
talking
favorite color
about?
is black. I'm not going to like black food only.
Ugh.
Weird.
What do you got?
All right, Anastasia.
Okay, my favorite color is black.
Oh, son of a...
That didn't help me at all.
I was
All
really
right,
hoping
Sky.
for a green or a
Sky, you
red.
idiot.
I don't think that makes me an idiot.
Yes,
any
it
sense.
You
does.
asked that.
All right, Sky,
Yes,
go
it
for
does.
Anastasia. I want to ask all fancy things. I believe her name is Fancy, and that means she has fancy things in her fridge.
I don't know what
What is she doing?
I don't know.
Anastasia, do you have wine in your fridge?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was a little too happy about that. A little too happy about that. All right, Thor, you're up.
I'm drinking it now.
I love you. I love
My
you.
God.
Oh, my God. All right, since you have wine in your fridge, does that mean you have cheese in your fridge?
Fancy.
Oh.
Congratulations, Thor.
Oh, on the engagement.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, okay.
I thought,
I mean,
I thought she was congratulating me on the cheese being in the fridge.
Yeah, I don't know what the
No,
heck is going on.
congratulations on your engagement.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And yes, you do have cheese in your fridge?
Yes, I do have
Okay,
cheese.
Anastasia.
Okay.
Let's continue on with the fancy route, Anastasia.
Oh.
Do you have ketchup in
Wait,
your
wait,
fridge?
wait a minute. No, Eddie.
What?
Yes, I have fancy ketchup.
See?
There you go.
I bet she does.
There you go.
Okay,
Fancy.
Emily.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to stick with the condiment route and guess that you also have mustard in your fridge.
Yes, I have several types.
mustard girl.
great poupon. All right,
Great
Sky,
poupon.
you are up.
I got to steal this one before you know who takes it next. Anastasia, butter in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sorry,
okay.
Thor. Sorry about it.
Butter
Butterman?
That's a good thing.
Yep.
I'm not the Butterman.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right, Anastasia. Do you have... I'm going to stick with the sandwich route here.
Oh.
I said cheese. Now I'm going to say deli meats.
I do have deli meat.
Okay.
That's right,
okay,
girl.
still got the deli
That's
meat.
right, girl.
Still got the deli meat.
Okay.
Still got the deli meat.
Okay.
All right, Anastasia. Do you have mayonnaise in your refrigerator?
I absolutely do.
Okay. Back over to Emily.
All righty.
You're making me hungry now.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah. Anastasia, do you have eggs in your fridge?
I do have eggs in
All
my
right.
fridge.
Got a lot
Over
of
to
stuff.
you, Sky.
Okay, let's complete this sandwich because I need a little lettuce on that bad boy. Do you have any lettuce in your fridge?
Yes.
Wow.
Lettuce.
Okay, Thor.
Getting nervous here.
Yeah.
Getting
I'm
nervioso.
starting to forget what we've guessed.
All right, A-Dog.
Damn it.
Do you got pickles?
I do.
Oh, yeah.
That was a weird way to ask that.
Say, why are you so weird?
So weird.
Why are you so weird?
Anastasia, do you have leche, milk,
Oh.
in your fridge?
I do have some milk.
All right, Emily.
All right. I'm going to see if you're a spicy girl. Do you have hot sauce in your fridge?
I have Cholula.
Oh, Sky.
I swear everyone has this in their fridge every time. I get a 50-50%
You're
success rate.
nuts.
Anastasia, any carrots in that fridge?
Ooh, carrots. Oh, Sky.
Come on.
I don't think I do.
We put it out there. Thank you, Anastasia.
You suck, Sky.
This is great. Sky hasn't eaten in like a month, and I'm just talking just normal food.
Well, that's,
that's true.
She just doesn't eat.
Yeah.
But she hasn't lost in this game in a long time. So this is the first tomato you've eaten in a while.
Yeah.
Those look like juicy ones, too.
Oh, do they, Emily?
I hope they burst with flavor.
I hope you burst with flavor.
Oh, I do, baby.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Sky.
Huh?
Here we go. Sky's got to eat a tomato.
Stupid little cherry tomatoes. Okay, let me open my...
Oh, this makes me so happy.
I hate when it...
Oh,
okay.
and she's got the little grape ones, which explode with flavor.
Yeah, they're bigger,
Nope,
yeah.
nope,
Yeah.
Juices and
nope,
seeds.
I love those
I'll
kind of
eat it.
tomatoes. I love those kind of tomatoes.
They're
Okay.
terrific.
They're
Well,
so
then
good.
you eat them.
I would love one.
All right, bombs away, Sky. Here we go. Oh, she's crunching. She's jumping. Oh, yeah.
No,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So
Get
juicy.
it,
It's
girl.
so juicy.
Get it,
Look at her.
girl. Oh, this. Look at the drama. Look at the
Oh, my
drama.
God. Look at her face.
My God, I've never seen anybody eat like that before.
Oh.
Oh,
Is it down?
look at her.
What are you doing?
Oh.
What is that noise?
That's the weirdest noise.
What was that noise?
I got it.
What was that noise? I've never heard that sound come out of a human.
It's a coping mechanism, bro. Sometimes you just gotta go whatever your body's telling you. You just gotta get it out.
All right, well, that was really strange.
So gross.
Okay, let's get our next player on the line. Let's go to P1 Robert. Robert, you are now up in What's in Your Fridge. What's going on, Robert?
Not much. How you doing? Calling from Cookeville, Tennessee.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, I heart that.
Go Vols!
What up?
I don't know. Is that a good thing? I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, Robert. This is interesting.
What do they have in their fridge?
I
in
don't know.
Tennessee?
I feel
I
like they
don't
got
know.
different stuff.
Oh my god!
This is crazy. Thor, you are up with the lifestyle question for Robert.
All right, Robert.
Tennessee man.
Yeah.
Do you work from home?
No.
Okay.
Ooh, interesting.
Okay. Here we go. All right, Thor, ask
Wait.
away.
Big Rob, living in Tennessee.
His name is
I'm gonna say, do you have barbecue sauce in the fridge?
Yes, I do.
What?
Oh, no hesitation.
He
He
read
didn't
the
even
room.
hesitate.
He read the room.
That's crazy.
He read the room.
Wow.
Well, Robert, you're living in Tennessee. I got to imagine you love your butter. You got butter in that fridge?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, baby. Emily?
Oh, man. What's up, Robert? I feel like since you're not working from home, you're going to work and you're making lunches to take with you. So you have deli meat in your fridge.
Yes, I do.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Sky?
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Good. Eat some more tomato.
Shut up. So let's put some cheese on the sandwich. Do you have cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thor?
All right, Robert. Do you have jelly
Whoa!
in the fridge?
Yes, we do.
That's
Okay.
right, baby.
Whoa.
Robert, I am hoping you're a real Tennessee man who loves his beer. You got beer in the fridge?
We might have a can or two.
Okay.
That's what I was going to get.
Well, you know what? Sorry.
What?
Go for it.
All right, Robert. I feel like you are a hot sauce spicy guy, so I'm going to guess it. I guessed it to the last caller, but I'm going to guess it to you. Do you have hot sauce in the fridge?
Yes, of course.
Hey, Sky?
Now, Robert likes hot stuff, but sometimes it's too hot, and he's got to cool that mouth down with a glass of milk. Got any milk
Yeah.
in that fridge?
We do.
All right.
Yep.
Over to you, Thor.
Okay, I'm kind of running out of. I think Robert has olives in the fridge.
You're psycho, bro.
Olives? Did you say olives?
Yeah.
I did.
No.
No olives in the fridge. They hate olives in Tennessee. That's a known fact.
Oh, it is a
Wow.
That is a
fact.
known fact.
I'm not a fan of Tennessee.
Are you a
Wait.
fan of coconut? Because you're
No.
about to eat a big old pinch.
Tennessee.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big just flicked it everywhere.
It just like
Can
flew
you
on him like
please-
What are you
confetti.
doing?
Titans suck, Robert.
Oh, that's
Okay. Oh my
God.
awesome. You
Can
guessed
you-
olives, weirdo.
Yeah, that was an odd guess.
was a horrible
Don't try
guess.
to get less.
Damn it.
Yeah,
Nice
you
try. I
put
saw
it
that.
back.
Damn it.
Good call, Eddie.
Yeah, get a good pick.
Oh.
Next time, show me before you put it.
It
in
was
your
a
mouth.
lot.
Yeah.
I don't think it
You want
was.
to
Ew, no.
Oh.
Close your mouth.
God, his mouth is so big.
Better than the
Those
terrible
teeth.
coffee I had this morning.
All right.
Okay, let it go.
Can you chew it? Why do you leave it in your mouth? That's
He's
so
He's
weird.
It
so
is
much,
so
dude.
weird, Eddie.
Yeah.
He like leaves it on his tongue.
Yeah.
To swallow.
All right, let's do our final player. Let's go to P1 Austin. Austin, you are now up. And what's in your fridge? How's it going, Austin?
Oh God.
Hey, how's it going, show?
It's going.
what up?
It's going well. Now, I get the lifestyle question.
What do you got, Eddie?
I feel like I want to ask him what state he lives in, but I'm assuming it's here. But I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, Austin. How many people live in your house?
4.
4 people. 4 people. Okay. That is interesting. So I'm up first. Here we go. Austin, do you have ketchup in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Emily?
4 people means he's got kiddos there. Kiddos need their milk. Austin, do you have milk in the fridge?
Well, yes, I do.
Okay. Sky?
Me and Emily, we are on the same wavelength. 4 people means Austin has kids, which means Austin needs alcohol in his fridge.
What?
So, well, if you're a parent, so Austin, do you have beer in your fridge?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Okay.
Come on.
A little beer? A little cerveza?
Yeah.
Ugh,
Thor?
coconut still in my mouth.
All right.
All right, Austin. Do you have mustard in the fridge?
Oh, yeah, totally,
Okay.
of course.
Of
Come
course,
on.
mustard.
Can't go without it.
Austin, do you have juice in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Emily?
All right, I'm sticking with the kid route. My son loves them. Talking about hot dogs. Do you have hot dogs in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Wow, that was a lucky one.
Oh my God.
Ooh, I thought she was going to miss that one.
Yeah.
All right, Sky.
This is an Eddie special that I'm gonna steal. I've never used before. Austin, you got leftovers in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Hey, Austin, make sure you
Austin.
turn down your radio. Dario should have told you that.
Yeah.
All right, over to you, Thor.
All right, Austin. Do you have eggs in the fridge?
Yes.
Oh, man.
Stacked fridge here.
Austin, do you have everyone's favorite condiment, ranch, in your fridge?
Oh, yeah, I love pizza. It has to go with pizza.
Oh.
Ugh, yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, why are you barking?
I don't know, big dog guy.
Big dog gotta eat.
Emily.
All right, so I figure you're the one drinking the beer. Mama Bear needs her mama juice.
Oh.
Do you have vino in the fridge?
Yep.
All right,
do.
wine is in the fridge. Sky?
It's a big fruit time of year right now.
What?
What fruit do I go with? It's gonna be a berry. Austin, do you have strawberries in your fridge?
Honestly, I don't.
Oh, no strawberry for you!
I'm gonna make your strawberry
Thank you,
shortcake.
Austin.
Austin, no!
Yes, that means twice.
2 times. We put it out there.
Another tomato for Sky. Listen, you can't go that long and not eat. All right?
I don't
Yep.
believe. I believe Austin's lying.
Why?
Why would
I
you
don't have
lie?
strawberries in my refrigerator
You
right
don't?
now. No.
I don't either.
Yeah.
Psychos.
Why are we psycho? I mean,
No, it's.
you know what I do have in my fridge? Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Eat up, sister.
And mama juice, apparently. Like what? Mama juice?
I wish I had a whole bottle of Mama Juice right now.
Well, you don't. You have tomatoes, so eat it.
Shut up.
Eat it.
Shut up.
Eat it.
Eat it.
And down the hatch. Oh, chew it. Chew it. Oh, this is when she gets. Oh, look at her face. Look at, oh, do you feel those juices?
The only thing, yeah. The only thing worse than her face right now is that shirt she's wearing with a turtle on it.
Okay.
100 years old, that
Yeah, it
shirt.
really is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at
Oh, you're so
Okay.
weird.
making that
Guys,
noise
this is a
again?
little-
No.
And
Are you
yeah.
starting to like tomatoes now?
No, God, no.
Okay.
Oh, God,
Oh,
no.
that didn't work out. There you go. This week's What's in Your Fridge.